For teachers to assess their learning activities, they can go to their site where the learning activity is created, or in this case I'm going to my latest and accessing my learning activity through my resource quick links. I'm going to click on My Learning Activities. From here I'm going to go to My Students, and I want to list it via a learning activity. I can also search via a name. I'm going to choose my learning activity. Here we have all the students that are included in the learning activity. I can see their name, their status of assessment, when the learning activity was assigned, when the learning activity is due, their progress, and the 2 actions of assessment, as well as their results. So if I want to assess one of these students, I'm going to assess Graham Ford. I'm going to click on the assessment. Here I can assess Graham Ford on the file submission assessment that I had in the learning activity, but I'm going to click on Show All Columns because I want to see the other options that I have for my assessment. For this learning activity we had 3 types of assessment. We had one for the class forum, one for the file submission, and one for the free choice hand-in. 2 of them are assessments using a text box, and one's using a mark out of 10. Click on the assessment you wish to add, complete the assessment and click Save. Do the same for the next few. You'll notice in the bottom right a green rectangle will appear showing that the assessment has been saved. In your learning activity you can also group mark, so if you click Show All Users, you can also mark your class in one area. When you finish assessing a student, you can click on the tick. This comes up with a message making sure you want to change the user's status to assessed. Once it has been changed, it can't be changed back. Click OK. You have now assessed that student. When you finish marking those students, you can click on Publish Marks, and that means it will be pushed across to those students.